Did you know your Galaxy S25 Ultra can create painting just from text? This phone has a feature called text to image that's placed inside Drawing Assist with your S Pen. This lets you type what you want, choose an effect, and your phone will generate a full image for you. Today, we will focus on the oil painting effect and how to download the final result to your gallery. To do so, remove your S Pen to open the recommend menu. Tap Drawing Assist. Tap Text to Image. Type something you want your phone to draw. Tap Done. For the effect, select Oil Painting. And then tap Generate and wait for the result. When the image appears, tap Download icon to save it to your gallery. And that's it. Now you know how to turn simple text into a beautiful oil painting style image using Drawing Assist on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. You can try different prompts and see what kind of creation you get. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.